Hello everyone, Silicon Truck again. Today I have a Hampton Bay Courtney ceiling fan. I purchased this at Habitat like 3 or 4 days ago. I've seen these at Home Depot before. Of course I have, for a few years. Unfortunately, these fans are now discontinued. This one had like a CFL, but while I was at Habitat, I took it out. And also, this is like a childhood fan. I just always wanted one of these when I just always wanted one of these. Of course, you see on display, and I saw Hampton Bay Courtney without a globe. Also, yesterday, I was trying to like fix the switches. Like, I know the last two fans I tested were the White Star and the Gulfstream. They work perfect. This one is a Hampton Bay, so when I tested it yesterday, it just like ooh. So when something wrong with the switches, because I had to put up that turn center still. That's what I'm looking at the one it's on mine. And another thing is when I was trying to it's a situation I dropped a screwdriver and then and there's a hole right here in the glass, and yes, you can see the bulb a little bit in there. I mean, it doesn't look too bad to me. It is cracked a little bit on the bottom. Well, the rest should be okay. I'm gonna try to fix it. So, I'll give you. It's kind of dusty. I use one of my bulbs, like from the Hampton Bay Colby. There's top. I know ceiling fans with the Z. Nick 2 fans. And Jonas Fans has a fan just like this. So, now I'm going to give you a demonstration. These originally had, I know what the voltage look like and stuff, but unfortunately they can't make any voltage. But mine, so, I'm going to turn the light. Doesn't get that much light, but I'm gonna turn it up. Just low. That's all. Just low. Does wobble. Also, I have these in one of my Home Depot catalogs. I also have a picture of it in my binder somewhere in my room. Might have to show you some of my binders sometime, whenever I get a chance. Also, it's almost the year 2018. This year has been great. A few road trips this year. And also, tomorrow we're gonna go to the train museum. And they have like two Harley's classic style 2s. They're white. You've maybe seen those before at Lowe's. I've seen them before at Lowe's. I don't know what they look like. I've never been there for a while. I haven't been there since I haven't been for like almost 4 years now. Yeah, almost 4 years. So we're probably gonna go tomorrow. Yeah. This wobble. Because I know it's missing a couple screws. Alright. I'm gonna turn on medium. Alright, that's just my dog barking. Sorry, it's just my dog barking. Turn to high now. Let me show you how fast that moves here. I don't want to bump into. Ah. Let's hold out my chair. I'm sure it's all the fan on. This video. Alright. Turn to high. Turn it off. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Cinnamon Truck, out.